and today I'm going to show you how to make French toast on a stick. And it's very simple. First, you'll need 3 eggs. Ooh! That wasn't hard at all, but it made a mess of the table, so I'm just going to be careful this time. Any shells? Nope. But if you do have shells, just look because you don't want to eat shells, right? Oh, disgusting egg. Now we'll need 1 cup of milk. And after you've done that, you'll need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we have to whisk it all together. First, you'll have to crush the eggs. Now let's stir. Good. Now it's time to make the French toast. I'm using brioche bread, but you can really use any kind of bread. The reason why I'm using brioche bread is because it's a little thicker and denser. But first we'll have to spray our griddle or pan. Got it? Phew. Good. Let's put the bread in. Now we'll have to drop it in. Just swirl it around for a second and then flip it over and put the other side in. Wiggle and then put it on the stove. Okay. Boop. So now we're going to put the second piece of bread on. Boop, boop, boop. And boop. Got it. Now the third piece of bread. Need a towel. And good thing I have one in handy. I can't wait to see how it tastes in a few minutes. So now we are going to check the French toast. Oh, perfect. That looks perfect. Perfect. Now we're going to check this one, but I'm going to wait 1 more second. Now let's check it. It's perfect. Now we're just going to wait a minute or 2 to place it on the cutting board so we can make our kebabs. Now let's make our kebabs. Oops. So, now check. Perfect. Perfect. Let's cut the French toast. You'll need help from an adult. Okay? So, you need to hold the bread like this. Use not a lot of pressure, but just use long strokes. Good. Ta-da! We are going to cut these into 1 to 2 inch cubes. Now it's time to make the kebabs. So we have our sliced French toast. Now we are going to add some French toast. Oops. And be careful of this pointy part because it's very sharp. I go like this and I slide the middle right through my 2 fingers. So now we're going to use bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. I love fruit. I think it's just because it's healthy. So we're going to use some more French toast. Remember how I told you? Put the stick right through your 2 fingers. Okay. Ta-da! I love this recipe. There we go. Perfect. Now it's time for the taste test. But first, we're going to put some powdered sugar on it. Me and my sisters like to call it snow. Let's try it. That tastes so good. You should really try it at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.